guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Or should I say welcome back to me on YouTube. Guys, I know guys, I went MIA for quite, it was not that long though. It was not that long. But when the MIA, guys, when the MIA, life happened and shame, it was not easy. So one, please forgive me for not being around. Two, thank you for 700 subscribers. Guys, you 700. I'm dreaming. So I'm officially on road to 1K. Me. Oh baby. Oh big me sweet. Officially on the road to 1K. The whole point of this video is to just say hello, hi, hello sweeties. I am still alive and I'm trying to pull myself out of a slump. Guys, I really think every single video that I have on my YouTube is about me complaining about my life. Like I'm just always complaining. I'm not promising that I'm back. I know I've been saying that a lot. I've been trying to be consistent. I'm not gonna say such. I just know I'm back for this video. So I'm sitting at home and I'm saying Anna school. So I'm just at home sitting, looking for jobs, also trying to apply so I can further my studies. So yeah, it's just been a roller coaster, guys. 2020, wow, sweet. This year has been too much. Like Yonkinda has just been a flop, and I mean a lot of wins. They have got a lot of wins this year. I mean, I graduated, so that was a win. And my sister graduated, that was another win. Sweetie. So it was just wins everywhere, and it was just so amazing to celebrate so many people doing so well. I mean, Abantu got time to create. Abantu started YouTube channels, podcasts, and it's just been really nice to just consume all of that content. Well, some of us are still like sihleli, but everyone was still on lockdown. That was really nice to do. Like we were consuming content from the peaks. Anyways, back to moi, because this is my channel. Okay. I have been on a roller coaster. I mean, guys, Yazi, my cousins said unemployment is hard, but I did not think it was like this. Like, I've been doing like little jobs on the side, little things on the side, just to make money, you know. It's really hard though. I can't. But anyways, this year has just been a roller coaster for a lot of us. I'm pretty sure of that. But I'm strong. Guys. Alright now. I was just thinking, there were so many things that as a kid I wanted to do, guys. And the dreams, guys. As a kid, I mean, let's start with, okay, like I obviously wanted to be a chartered accountant. That didn't work out. That hasn't panned out yet. Let me not say it like that. That hasn't panned out. It hasn't happened yet. It might happen, it might not. I'll see what I choose. But I wanted to be a chartered accountant. But I recently thought about so many other things that I was like, you know what? I doubted myself for so long. Before anything else, I may just say, When I was a kid, I had dreams, okay? Dreams that I thought were ridiculous, but I was like, but it's gonna happen. So this is, let me just explain. This is me 2001. Because around that time, Coca-Cola Pop Stars came out. Wait, South Africa. I mean, I saw these people. They were in this competition singing and then trying to basically enter into the entertainment industry. Pume as a group, if I'm right, and writing it, Pume groups from that. And of course, I was like, that is what I want to do. And I had thought, I'm going to be a superstar. Coca-Cola Pop Stars for me was like the, I'm going to be a superstar. Coca-Cola Pop Stars, I was like, ndiyafuna na. Ndifuna uba kwesa squad. Ndifuna uba nguletang. Ndifuna uba ngithembisile. Ndifuna uba Pam Andrews. Back then, sashimbija Frankie because we go backstage. I wanted to be Pam Andrews. I wanted to be Erin. I was like, ndiyafuna. That will be me. Of course. I mean, that woman's wrong, Jackie, guys. Jackie from Coca-Cola Pop Stars, right? Yeah. I was like, that will be me one day. Just watch. And back then, guys, I was serious. I was like, in the competition. I mean, auditions is open. I'm gonna go to Dax's house. Then just gonna tell auditions easy. I was 7, 8, 9, around 9, 10, around the years. Coca-Cola Pop Stars. Sweetie, I was certain about Ndiza, about Coca-Cola Pop Star. Because I was like, I can take Ubani on. It's been a long, long time coming. I've been wondering where to go and what to do. Gitata langi, bege langi, suselengi, begele. I was very sure about my vocal ability. I was like, no, I can make this. It could work. I was like that with my dreams. I was like, and I'm gonna be excellent in it. I'm gonna be a star. I'm gonna get paid for this. So I really wanted to be a Coca-Cola pop star, guys, and be certain because at that time dancing was basically my life. And I wasn't very confident in my singing, but I knew I was like, I have vocal ability, I'm confident in you. I was so confident in it, guys. I was like, guys, I was so confident in my vocal ability back then. Whoa. Anyways, Coca-Cola Pop Stars, what do guys? Guys, in the back of my mind, I know for sure, but my Coca-Cola Pop Star. Not necessarily a Coca-Cola Pop Star, because I mean, I don't know if it's but I wanna try something. Because I'm just thinking, I've been thinking about the things that I let go because that's so eager. I mean, why not try those things now? If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I mean, you get up and you move on. And I know myself, when something fails for me, it's like, it always feels like it's the end of the world when it's not. But I know myself, I can push myself past the point of feeling like I want to give up. And I really wanted to be a Coca-Cola pop star. Yo! I mean, it's been a long, long time coming. I've been wondering where to go and what to do. Gitata langi, bege langi, susolangi, begala. Babelela peninsula, uzapu. Guys, I was like, I want to work with Olibu Matosa. I want to work with Adila. I want to work with, yo, guys, go by a baby, like, out there. But I've mentioned some of the people that I wanted to work with. I was like, Nah, I want to be in a music video, in a song with Lebu Matosa. I want to be in a song with Brenda Fassie and Lebu Matosa. And I was like, I want to be like in a music video with maybe Sierra. I wanted to be, guys, Dandy Ibona Lendo. Dandy Ibona, here, I could see it. I just need a vocal coach, guys. I need to get back into dancing again. And we will be on. If I can get myself those things, guys, you will see I will be the next. Okay, not the next. I'll be Oyama. But I want to be as big as Abantu Ofana Noli, Matosa, Brenda Fassie. I want to be as big as Tiwa Savage, Sweetie. I want to. Guys, maybe there's Pata, ne, and whatever, but there is no harm in dreaming. I really think there's no harm in dreaming. So, that's morning, guys, what the future holds. Decide to enter and Kafiki go agent Gomban Latin Tiger look. Accept a chance. Oh, he check on a chance and he needs it. So, I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna find a way to make it happen. Anyways, guys, I'm still very young, sweetie. I mean, I'm very young. I have a lot of time, so we will see what time holds for me. Otherwise, I know my mom lately has told me something. Okay, not that she's. I've heard this a lot of times in the church, and life and death is in the tongue. You know, like saying things. That's how you create and destroy things. You say it out loud, out there. I'm saying it now. I'm gonna make things happen one way or another. I'm not gonna box myself into one thing because there are so many. Like South Africa is an industry and not an emerging. Like we've been there for quite some time. We are growing, so there's just a lot of opportunity in South Africa that we need to explore, and that's what I want to do. That's what I want to do. So Coca-Cola Popstar, not necessarily Coca-Cola Popstar, but you guys know what I mean. Guys, I mean, back when I was a teen, I even sat down. My parents was like, "Ndiamba, it's all in you because the boxer in, and I wanna experience this indoor." And I had found a church where just dance ministry, there was youth choir. Those things were basically non-existent in my mom's church. So I didn't leave the church. I actually did. But I basically went to a place that embraced me within a space that I felt safe in. So I was like, I'm gonna explore my talents. If it wasn't for people like my youth leaders, especially my creative arts youth leaders, so Omoy from the Aeon, Pumlani, Lerado, like people like Osnesipo, guys, people like Obudkanya, Sola. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have known that I can actually do those things. So I want to explore those things. Just explore. If that doesn't work out, I mean, I can do something else. And I am not a one-trick pony, sweetie. I was blessed with talents. Okay, so I'm gonna explore those things. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm not promising anything about being consistent. I'm not promising a next video. I'm as do my need, but I'll be feeling guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for 700 subscribers. 700 subscribers. Thank you for just always being here, like supporting my YouTube channels, watching my shenanigans. And yeah, thank you for telling your friends. to their friends for entering my name in the search box and finding me, clicking subscribe. Thank you, and see you again in, I don't know. I've been ready till I pop. We never thought we'd get this far. Through struggles and pain, till I pass, till I will keep on fighting. Go back till last no matter how hard kunzima bambezela abedezela uzophumelela abantu dabisbachela nomazana lela ndakuzolinda njengamadastas opile shayipo one day you're gonna make it. I see this doing push-ups, better wake up, skin top.